1, 2, 3. Salute!
Salute, salute, ma devo fare io, scusate. Salute, salute. Vieni qua Rita che lo faccio io.
Raise your glasses! Salute! Hello everyone! The Sicily Lovers Tour, the 4th edition in 2025, the October edition has begun. And this time something very special happened. This time we have 12 beautiful ladies in this group tour. This is the evidence that the Sicily Lovers Tour is not for couples only. So they are all friends. You can come to Sicily alone, like a solo traveler. You can bring your girlfriend. So not necessary your wife or your husband.
The seat is in that building called the Royal Palace. 70 deputies. Giancarlo.
As always, we celebrate the start of the tour in our special location in the heart of Palermo. A rooftop restaurant facing the Four Corners and the Fountain of Shame. The Sicily Lovers Tour offers the most important Sicilian highlights in the most optimized itinerary all around the island of Sicily.
Outside of the cathedral, which is the best part of the church.
As always, we used to combine the best locations with the most exciting activities, in particular the activities with local people.
Nothing to do with the Italian government in Rome.
We still have a few spots, available spots in the April 2026 edition and 2 more spots in the September 2026 edition. Feel free to contact us if you want to join one of our group tours or ask us to put together a custom private tour of Sicily. It will be available all year round. Thanks for watching. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!